Face washes contains a lot of chemicals which may harm and damage your skin. Homemade face washes are very easy to make and it is cost effective. I have already uploaded how to make herbal face wash at home. Now I am here to share with you the recipe of how to make milk face wash at home. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. You will need besan, rice flour and milk powder. That's it. Just 3 ingredients will make an awesome face wash. Take a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of besan and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix the ingredients well. Store it in a jar and keep it in your bathroom. Wet your face. Take 1 tablespoon of milk face wash powder in your palms. Add some water to it. Apply the paste on your face and neck. Massage gently to remove dirt. Then wash your face with water. Milk is highly known for its cleansing properties. It cleans the skin, removes dirt and impurities. It moisturizes the skin and makes it baby soft. Besan removes tan, exfoliates dead skin, moisturizes the dry skin and also reduces excess oiliness. Rice flour removes blackheads and whiteheads. It evens out the skin tone. Milk face wash is easy to make and use. Try this at home. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.